DSLRs still rule the roost when it comes to quality and extensibility. If you're looking for the best lenses for your DSLR, here they are. The Sigma 10-20mm f/3.5 XDC is a super wide-angle lens with a maximum aperture of f/3.5 throughout the entire zoom range, ensuring high image quality and enough light for indoor and tricky situations. It has a super multi-layer coating that reduces flare and ghosting. The HSM allows the lens to operate quickly and quietly in both auto and manual focus modes. The lens design of an inner focusing system eliminates front lens rotation, and the two ELD glass elements and special low dispersion glass element prevent chromatic aberration. 4 aspherical lenses prevent distortion and compact and lightweight construction. Sigma's 24-105mm f/4 DG-OS HSM art lens can be used both as a wide-angle to a medium telephoto zoom lens. It is compatible with both full-frame and crop sensor Canon DSLRs. It incorporates 3 aspherical elements into its construction, along with 2 SLD and 2 FLD glass elements to reduce aberration, field curvature, and distortions. A super multi-layer coating on the lens elements reduce surface reflections, flare, and ghosting. A thermally stable composite material that offers minimal thermal shrinkage and exceptional hardness is used to make the barrel. It too uses an HSM motor for quick and reliable focusing. You can head over to the video description to find out more about these products and to find buying links. The Tamron AF 70-300mm f/4-5.6 DI LD macro lens is a compact ultra tele zoom lens covers the 70mm to 300mm telephoto range with a maximum magnification ratio of 1:2 at the tele end. This lens is great in the field due to its lightweight size and mechanical operation. Tamron's digitally integrated design employs internal surface coatings and multiple layer coating technology on ordinary elements to reduce ghosting and flare. It can also be used as a macro lens thanks to the maximum magnification ratio up to 1:2. The focal length in the macro range also spans from 180mm to 300mm, allowing more compositional flexibility. The Nikon AF-S Nikkor 50mm f/1.8G Special Edition lens is a fast, normal prime lens that is designed for use on both Nikon FX and DX DSLRs. Its lightweight and stylish design integrates enhanced knurling on the focus ring to complement refined manual focusing control. The Silent Wave Motor AF system is quick, precise, smooth, and quiet, benefiting both still and movie shooting. 1 aspherical element is incorporated into the optical design to help minimize chromatic aberrations, and a 7-blade rounded diaphragm helps to render a pleasing bokeh effect and shallow depth of field. At number 1 is the Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM lens. It is a compact, normal-length prime, well-suited to everyday shooting. The bright f/1.8 maximum aperture benefits working in difficult lighting conditions and also affords increased control over depth of field. Individual elements feature a super spectra coating to help minimize flare and ghosting to realize greater contrast and color accuracy when working in backlit and harsh conditions. Additionally, an STM stepping AF motor is used to realize quick and near-silent autofocus performance along with full-time manual focus override. If this video was helpful to you, hit the like button. If we rocked it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.